Factoring out a GCF. After watching this video, I will be able to factor a polynomial that has 3 variables using the GCF. So I can factor out another polynomial, and I'm just going to deal with the numbers first. So I have 28 and 35 that I have to try and find a common GCF, and that would be the number 7. Then I'm going to look at my variables. So I see that I have the variable x, and I have at least one x in all 3 terms. And then I see the variable z, and I have at least one z in all 3 terms. The variable y, even though it's common to 2 terms, I do not have any y on the last term, so that can't be a great common factor. So I have at least one x and a z. And then I'm going to see what's left over. So 28 divided by 7 gives me 4. X divided by x, or if x and you factor out an x, leaves me none. Z, and I factor out one z, leaves me none. So then I'm just left with y squared. Negative 28 divided by 7, well, that gives me negative 4. X squared, and I take out 1, so there's one x left. Z, and I take out the z, so there's none left. And then there's just a y left because I'm not factoring that out. Negative 35 divided by 7 is equal to negative 5. There is one x and one z that I factor out. So this is what's left over. Again, remember, you can always check your work to see if you did it correctly by multiplying it out. So if I were to distribute this into each term, I would end up back at my original polynomial. So now you try to factor completely the polynomial below. So if I look at my numbers, there is no number that I can factor out because the only greatest common factor would be the number 1, and 1 doesn't really change anything. So then I'm going to look at my variable z. There is at least 2 z's that I could take out. And I notice that all of my options have z squared. So I'm just going to see what's left over when I take out a z squared. So when I take out a z squared, I'm left with y to the 3rd power. I'm left with negative 7 x to the 2nd power. And I'm left with negative 7 z to the 2nd power. And I want to make sure that my answers, I choose the correct answer. So the correct answer would be A.